I got any more hiccups?
Get that phone and make a hiccup video.
I am.
Don't trip on the sticky tail.
Okay.
Punch up. And start to punch up. Are you guys getting cold?
Mm-mm.
We'll go back to 72 for a second.
My teeth are cold.
Hmm?
My teeth are throbbing because they're cold.
If you want another sip or two of that, you can have it.
I do.
I don't. I'll share it.
But after my hiccup video.
Yeah, that thing I got, it was definitely really rich.
I'm filming.
Really rich. I should have stopped at half. Sorry.
Mom, we're not trying to get rid of them.
Don't get rid of her. She needs it for the video.
I'm 4 minutes in.
Mama, would you go out back? Where's the headache?
Sound like a bullfrog.
What?
Sound like a bullfrog.
A bullfrog? What is that?
A bullfrog. You know what a frog is?
I know what a frog is.
Well, a bullfrog is just a bigger frog with a deeper voice. A bullfrog.
That's a little frog. There's your little cheap ears. That's getting closer to that bullfrog. There you go. There's a bullfrog. That one like those are bullfrogs. Shoot. In Georgia, every time she'd hiccup, her tongue would stick out. I called her Frog Ben.
I think the bubble's down to here. Before it was up here, can you see me?
Yeah,
I think it's down a third.
that's good.
I don't know if it's because of the heat.
Could be.
You know, because it's 2 weeks out now. I'm pretty sure it's lower. Oh, I shouldn't have ate that stuff. Should have saved the hot dog and only drank half of the drink. Oh,
I haven't had long hiccups like these in years, it felt like.
it's been months ago.
Yeah, I'm 9 minutes in. I normally only get like 7 minutes in if I'm lucky. I haven't had any long ones lately.
Not my face, child.
I didn't even...
Careful you don't tip that stuff over. Don't eat too much, that's the word to the wise.
There was only like a quarter left for that. You know what?
No, I meant for me.
Just remind me, I've only had chili today.
And ice cream. Or coffee, I mean. remind me I ate too much.
What was, that's a burp, I think. I haven't burped in forever.
Has your hiccups gone away?
I don't know.
Burp. Hiccup. Or ribbit.
I think it's trying to, like, hiccup. I'm guessing that's it. Well, Cotton Candy Kids, I'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the... Okay, that's probably too fast. I'll see you, Cotton Candy Kids, next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.